How to pause the game in Darkest Days. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Darkest Days and need to take a quick break, if you are a beginner and you want to find the pause option, then firstly, go ahead and open up the game. Once you're inside the game, if you want to pause the game, then first, go to the top right corner and tap on the tablet icon. Now from the menu that appears on the screen, go to the bottom and click on the pause button. Right after you do that, the game should be paused. Now when you are ready to continue, you can tap on the play button, which is in the same location at the bottom, and that way you can pause and play your game. You can take your break, grab a drink, and come back to play whenever you are ready. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.